Open the Binance app and follow my 3 easy steps to get started with trading and earning rewards. I'll guide you through each step to help you understand the platform. Start trading and make the most of the opportunities available. Remember, trading involves risks, so always trade responsibly. Open Binance Live. Follow along to learn more and subscribe for regular tips and tutorials. Follow my step. Join a Binance live stream. Touch live stream. Follow my step. Now I will watch until this time is over. If you see a notification or prompt that a gift box is available, you may need to click on a link or button that appears on your screen to open it. Next, you should also open the gift box that appears after entering the red pack code and win money. Just like I do in my video. I will provide some codes in the description. To open the gift box, enter the red pack code provided below during the live stream when prompted. Open gift box. Next, you can follow the steps provided by Binance to win money. After that, you need to get your friends to join, and once you complete this, you will receive $10. Join now. Do it. Invited friends. To keep watching videos like this, make sure to subscribe to my channel. So, how was today's video? If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thank you for staying until the end of the video.